In this lesson, we will see together les pronoms interrogatifs, but more precisely, we will see quelle. So, what are les pronoms interrogatifs? Well, we'll have two things to answer. That's the first one. The interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions about people, things, or choices. And the second thing, their usage depends on the type of information you want to inquire about. So, this lesson is about quelle. The interrogative pronoun quelle can be translated into English as which, what, or what kind of. And keep in mind that quelle will be used for féminin singulier. So we'll see some examples with quelle. Quelle est ta matière préférée à l'école? Quelle est ta matière préférée à l'école? Quelle musique écoutes-tu en ce moment? Quelle musique écoutes-tu en ce moment? Quelle est ta destination de vacances préférée? Quelle est ta destination de vacances préférée? Quelle heure est-il? Quelle heure est-il?